What if I told you that in the next 5 years, companies that fail to integrate AI into learning and development will really struggle to compete? The reality is, business transformation isn't just about adopting technology. It's about ensuring your workforce has the skills to leverage that technology effectively. Yet most organizations still treat L&D as a support function rather than a strategic driver of business success. And this is a dangerous mindset in an AI-driven world. Companies that fail to rethink L&D will face widening skill gaps, stagnant innovation, and a workforce that's ill-equipped to handle the pace of transformation. Now, in today's video, we're going to explore the top strategic priorities for L&D leaders and how they can accelerate business transformation through AI-powered learning strategies. Now, we know that organizations invest billions in training every year, but here's the problem. Most L&D programs fail to create real business impact. Why? Well, because traditional corporate learning is slow, static, and disconnected from real-world business transformation. Most L&D programs still focus on generic, one-size-fits-all training, content-heavy, engagement-light learning methods, and compliance-based learning rather than skills-based growth. Meanwhile, business leaders are demanding real-time, AI-powered learning that adapts to employees' needs. Training programs that directly improve productivity and business performance. And workforce agility to keep pace with constant digital disruption. Now, the disconnect is very clear. Traditional L&D is falling short because it was designed for a slower-moving business environment. To remain competitive, companies must embed AI and data-driven strategies into their workforce development. AI is transforming industries at an unprecedented rate, and L&D teams still rely on outdated learning platforms that don't adapt in real time. If companies want to build AI-ready workforces, they need to leverage AI-driven learning models that personalize development, predict skill gaps, and accelerate training. Now, here's how AI is redefining workforce learning. Adaptive learning models, where AI-powered learning platforms adjust training content based on an individual's progress, ensuring employees receive targeted, relevant instruction rather than generic courses. Predictive skill analytics, where AI can analyze workforce data to predict skill gaps before they impact business performance. L&D leaders can use this to proactively reskill employees. And AI-powered coaching and mentoring, where AI chatbots and virtual assistants provide employees with instant coaching, feedback, and personalized learning recommendations. A leading technology firm implemented AI-powered learning recommendations and saw a 35% increase in training efficiency, reducing the time required for skill development while boosting employee engagement. So to embed AI into L&D, organizations must shift from passive learning to continuous, real-time skill development that aligns directly with their business goals. One of the biggest mistakes organizations make is treating L&D as a support function rather than a growth enabler. But of course, in the age of AI-driven transformation, L&D must evolve from training employees to accelerating business innovation. And here's how L&D leaders can reposition workforce development as a business growth engine. First, align learning with business KPIs. Every L&D initiative should be tied to measurable business outcomes, whether it's increased efficiency, higher revenue, or improved customer satisfaction. Next, from content to capability building. Instead of just providing learning materials, organizations must focus on real-world skill application, ensuring employees can immediately implement what they learn. And third, cross-functional collaboration. L&D shouldn't operate in isolation. Instead, learning teams need to collaborate with IT, HR, and leadership to create training programs that align with transformation initiatives. For example, a global financial services firm integrated AI-powered reskilling programs into their transformation strategy. And the result? A 40% increase in workforce agility, allowing employees to adapt to new technologies much faster. By positioning L&D as a core pillar of business transformation, companies can turn workforce development into a competitive advantage. Leadership development is one of the most critical yet overlooked aspects of transformation. Many organizations assume that leadership skills remain static, but in today's AI-driven world, executives must continuously develop their capabilities to lead in a very fast-changing landscape. The problem is that most leadership development programs focus on outdated management theories. They lack real-world AI and transformation integration, or are delivered in one-off workshops with little ongoing learning. What's needed instead? Well, first is AI literacy for leaders. Business leaders must understand AI, not from a technical standpoint, but in terms of its strategic implications. Second is real-time leadership coaching. AI-powered coaching tools can provide instant feedback to help leaders refine decision-making and leadership strategies. And third, continuous data-driven learning. AI analytics should guide leadership training, ensuring that it's tailored to individual strengths and weaknesses. A leading multinational used AI-powered leadership training to enhance executive decision-making, and that led to 25% faster strategy execution, and it improved adaptability in disruptive markets. Now, if companies want to remain competitive, leadership development can't be static. AI must be embedded into executive training to ensure leaders are prepared for challenges ahead. Now, there's a lot of hype around AI in learning and development, but what's real and what's just marketing buzz? Well, here are 3 real applications of AI in L&D that are driving measurable impact. First is AI-powered content curation. Instead of employees sifting through endless resources, AI curates hyper-relevant learning materials based on their roles, skills, and objectives. Next are automated skill assessments. AI can evaluate skill proficiency in real time, providing insights into areas where employees need further development. And third, predictive workforce planning. AI-driven L&D platforms can forecast future skill gaps, allowing companies to proactively train employees before critical shortages emerge. Organizations that adopt these AI-driven strategies will future-proof their workforce, while those that ignore them will struggle to adapt to changing market demands. Now, we've covered the key priorities. So now let's turn insight into action. Here's how L&D leaders can drive real transformation with AI-powered learning. First, integrate AI into learning programs. Shift from static to adaptive learning models, and use AI to personalize training and accelerate skill acquisition. Second, make L&D a business transformation enabler. Align L&D with business KPIs and ensure learning is tied to real-world skill application. And third, develop AI-ready leadership teams. Provide executives with AI literacy training and use AI-powered coaching and decision-making support. And fourth, build a culture of continuous learning. Move beyond one-time training sessions and leverage AI to deliver ongoing data-driven learning experiences. The future of business transformation belongs to those who learn, adapt, and evolve much faster than their competition. Companies that really embrace AI-driven L&D will gain a competitive edge, while those that rely on outdated training models of the past will fall behind. The question is your organization ready? If you're serious about building your organization's transformation capabilities, check out the resources linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.